Create or select an activity. Build instructional content for your classroom by selecting the Create button in the top right corner of your formative dashboard. Choose from one of the varied creation options, such as creating a new formative assessment, lesson, practice set, or common assessment. Our quick start options help you create activities fast. Digitize a worksheet from a PDF, build an instructional video, or use AI to generate standards-aligned content in seconds. Add a title and teacher's notes or student instructions. Choose from more than 20 content and technology enhanced question types to enhance the activity experience and align with student learning needs and preferences. You can also reuse questions from past activities, or with the Item Bank add-on, search thousands of high-quality standards-aligned questions across subjects. You also have the option to AI generate questions under the Create with the AI tab. To make sure your assessments are tied to standards, select Tag to Standard below each question. For a quick way to get started, find pre-made activities that you can assign and edit in the library. Starter lessons are easy-to-use resources built by formative staff for every grade level across ELA, social studies, science, and math. Click the Add This Formative button on any lesson for which you'd like to add a copy to your activities page.